Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and thorough analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.15. Let's examine the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.02%. This equates to an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.54% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 13.62% to 19.82%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 5.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 14.65% to positive 5.82% over the next year. This would place the future price between $487.01 and $603.81. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The VOO ETF price decreased by approximately 0.674% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, falling from $574.48 to $570.61. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.08%, reaching a low of $567.99 and a high of $574.13. The price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 4.18% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume rose on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the declining prices. This could indicate an early warning, suggesting that risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 6 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.53 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $575.70, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands at 0.88%, or $5.09. Below the 52-week high of $575.70, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO is gaining attention as it stands in the context of recent market developments. As of today, the S&P 500 has reached all-time highs, fueled by optimism surrounding trade agreements and fiscal initiatives from the government. This rally bodes well for VOO in the short term, as high investor sentiment typically translates to increased demand for large-cap stocks, which VOO replicates. However, concerns about tariffs and political uncertainty could pose risks. Market predictions suggest a slight retreat due to these issues, which could lead to volatility in the short term. Long-term investors would be wise to keep an eye on these dynamics, as higher volatility might prompt some to consider shifting their portfolios. Additionally, high-yield dividend stocks are being recognized as a significant portion of investment strategies, with VOO positioned as a stable choice amidst a fluctuating market. By blending growth and income potential, VOO could appeal to risk-averse investors seeking to mitigate volatility while still capitalizing on the overall market growth. In summary, while VOO benefits from the current bullish environment, vigilance is necessary given the potential for tariff-related headwinds, which could impact market stability in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $568.89 and $551.61. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, with a decline of 0.674% observed thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased amid falling prices yesterday, potentially serving as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 51 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $552.86, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $6.13 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.08%. For the past week, the ETF has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 0.743%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $574.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $552.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $555, a decrease of 2.74%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in a low-risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index is 76, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that this may be an opportune moment to consider purchasing. There is a reasonable likelihood that VOO ETF will perform well in the near future. As a result, we have updated our assessment from a hold or accumulate designation to a buy recommendation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of July, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by approximately 30 cents and begin trading at $570.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.